Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set a minimum price on Gumroad. So actually guys, first you will need to go with gumroad.com on your favorite browser and then just log in with your account and click on the dashboard button that's located at the top right corner of the screen. And now right here we'll need to go with the products option that's located at the left hand menu. It's the second option, just click it just like so, and here you will need to go with an existing product so you can edit it, or just go with a new products button that's located at the top right corner. So if you want to edit a product, you will need just to click it, and after that you will need to scroll down till you can see the pricing section. And all you need to do here is to choose allow customers to pay what they want. Okay, so once you click it, you will be able to visualize the minimum amount option and the suggested amount. Okay, so you will see in general field to enter a minimum price or a minimum amount. Okay, so to do that you will need to go with amount here and then just go for example with 5, and once you do that the minimum amount will be changed immediately. So if you set 0, for example, the minimum amount will be 0, 5, 10, 12, etc. Okay, so actually guys, let's go with 5 for example. I want it to be 5 on the minimum amount, and then I will go with save and continue. If a new product, you will need to go with publish, and that's it. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.